Okay, I just brought my package home from the post office. I peeked in on the way home, but I haven't opened it yet. Dilma's very interested. Aw, little papers. We got black broilers. These would be the Rainbow Rangers. Cornish cross, and we got some of different colors. Maybe those are Rainbow Rangers too, and one didn't make it. That's to be expected. They won't all survive. The rest of them look okay. So I'm going to sneak them under my silky hen, who is broody and sitting on 2 eggs that are probably duds. And she worked so hard to lay those eggs. So I hope she will adopt these guys and take care of them and raise them for me. I'm going to give them some water and put them under her tonight. And you can't play with them.